Today I'm doing my last Monday minis, and I have 21s, and I'll explain why at the end. Um, and I'm going to use the 6-sided die. 5, and when I get done I'm going to be taking all the money out. 4, 6, 1, 1, 6, 4, 1, 6, 1, 5, 5, 6, 1, 6, 5, 3, 5, 3, 3, and that's the last one. Okay, let's see what we have. 1 is from Simply Sarah Saves, and it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so in this one we saved a total of 10, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. And then this one's from Gracie at Grammy's Journey, and it didn't get any today. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So saved a total of 11 in this one. And then this one's from MS Mom Budgets, and it got 1, 2, 3. And these were just worth 2. And this one has a total of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then my ghost one's got 2. And it has a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then my October one got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it has a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then the last one, it was from Ellie on Earth, and we were just starting it, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so I'm going to take it all out and count it, and then I'm going to put half into my group play for December so I can get a couple books of stamps, and then the other half will go into Christmas. And let's see. I have a total of 10, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 81. So I'm ending this because I'm going to put half of it into Christmas and half into group play. But I'm ending it because on Sunshine Chaos Budgeting, she does a binder with 20 challenges. But starting next Monday, I have 2 of my own challenges in here. And then I have 10 of friends. And this one's from Grammy's Journey and EMT Dispatcher on a Budget. It's for Thanksgiving. This was a freebie in her Ko-fi. And then this one was a freebie from me I just put up last night. And it's in my Ko-fi. And it has 3 challenges. And this is pumpkin spice everything. And then this one's from Sunshine Chaos Budgeting. And she sent it to me as a birthday gift. And I'm going to start it. And this has a whole bunch of different ones with a whole bunch of animals I thought would be good for fall. And then this one's from Budgeting for Me. It's her fall challenge. And this was a birthday gift I got. It's a Drummer Boy. It's from the Budgeting Sisters. And then this was sent to me from SC Creations. And I'm going to start this one. And then this is from MS Mom Budgets. It has the pumpkins. And then this was a collaboration, I believe. But this one is from Simply Sarah Saves. It's the apples. And this one didn't have a name. I think it's from Dina US Budgeting. I probably didn't say it right, but that's who that one's from, I believe. And then this one's from DIY Budget on Etsy. And her YouTube is Divas Budgeting. And then this one's my November challenge. And then the last one's from Cindy Cat Budget. It's her cute roll and save with Hello Kitty. So I'm going to be starting these on Mondays. And I'm just going to call it Saving with Friends. And that's why I'm ending Monday Minis. But I'll be starting these on Monday. I guess it's still Monday Minis, but it's with more. But I'll be starting that. And I've been working on, I've got like some of my group play for December going out this week, and then I'm going to send some more out next week. So if you're not signed up, the link will be in the description for my postable. Make sure you're signed up by the 20th, because after that I'm going to shut the postable off, and then I'll have the printable on the 21st. It'll be my Ko-fi. But I'll see you guys. I'll be back probably tomorrow or Wednesday. I'm going to do my November budget because I get paid on Friday, so I need to do that. And then I'll be back for Tiny Thursdays also. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.